Welcome to Series 1 of Mr. DCode From Probability to Information, Episode 2 of 6. Why Patterns Stay. In the previous episode, we explained why existence is possible. Now we ask the next question: why does everything not exist equally? Why do some possibilities repeat while others vanish? Why does existence become structured instead of remaining random? To understand this, we need to slow down. Probability does not appear as a single value. It appears as patterns. Each pattern is a collection of probabilities working together. When probabilities combine, they form a combined probability, and that combined probability describes how the pattern behaves as a whole. Now notice something important. When a pattern appears, its combined probability affects what happens next, not because something special happened, but because probability is now structured. The combined probability of a pattern biases the probabilities of its own parts. This bias is what we call feedback. Feedback is not an added mechanism. It is simply probability acting on itself. If the combined probability reinforces the pattern is more likely to appear again. If it weakens the pattern fades. There is nothing intentional here and nothing strange, just probability shaping probability. When reinforcement repeats, the pattern becomes statistically stable. This stability is what we call a law. A law is not imposed and it is not written. A law is simply what probability does after repetition stabilizes it. A law is nothing more than a stable pattern of combined probability feeding back into itself. Over time, many such laws accumulate. When laws overlap and reinforce each other, they begin to constrain probability. These constraints form dimensions. A dimension is not a place. It is a rule set, a way probability is allowed to behave. Different dimensions can exist at the same time because patterns overlap. When patterns overlap, dimensions overlap too. And where dimensions overlap, interaction is inevitable. That interaction produces interference. Some interference strengthens probability, some weakens it, and some cancels it entirely. When multiple dimensions interfere in a stable way, a universe begins to take shape.